Hi, this is Sadi, and welcome to the course on top 30 Linux commands, which will help you crack L3 tech support interviews conducted by MNC companies. I have close to 8 years of experience working in L3 tech support for top MNC companies. I have designed this course based on my work experience and scenarios encountered in tech support. This course specifically designed to help freshers crack tech support interviews. So I'll also be talking about the do's and don'ts of critical commands and also the best practices which have to be followed. So all the examples mimic real-time support scenarios so that the journey from fresher to a professional is easy. Firstly, I will talk about a command and its usage. Then I will provide a realistic scenario where this command will come in handy. So let's take the command grep, which helps you in searching for a word in a file or document. So a realistic scenario can be that you get a ticket saying that a user had problem adding a product to the cart, and you might be asked to investigate what has happened. So most of the times applications write log files, and you have to go to the log file and then do a search, and these log files are typically lengthy. So a good idea would be to use grep command, and then you will grep for the product which the customer had problems adding. So let's open up the command prompt, and then I'll use my grep command like this. Grep moto G, and then I know that the log file, the application log file is placed in the /opt sales reports and then application log. So I'm going to grep for moto G in this log file. Now as you can see, there was an error with that ID and moto G. So the customer had a problem adding moto G to the cart. Now suppose you want to search for all the errors which occurred in the application.log. You have to do, I'm going to search for the errors which occurred in application.log. So now you can see that all the errors are listed. Now if you want to do a case insensitive search, you can use the switch I and do a case insensitive search. Now you can see that there are two errors which were generated, and then we have two lines which says what went wrong there. So this is just a example scenario where you will come across most of the times in day-to-day life as a tech support engineer. So you can use grep command like this. So I'll be coming out with much more commands in the same lines, and keep waiting for the future courses. Thank you.